about Qingdao Sniper Technology, your trusted partner in smart agricultural and forestry machinery. Since 2011, Qingdao Sniper Technology has been dedicated to the agricultural and garden machinery sector. We focus on in-house design and development of core components and structural exteriors. By combining German engineering R&D with China's efficient manufacturing capacity, we deliver world-class lawn mowers, snow blowers, sprayers, and seeders to customers around the globe. Global presence. Our service network covers North America, Australia, Europe, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia, maintaining close cooperation with over 120 agents and partners worldwide. German technology pedigree. Our R&D team is led by two German doctors specializing in electrical and mechanical engineering, continuously pushing the boundaries of equipment efficiency and durability. Factory direct advantages. With a facility spanning over 5,000 square meters, 4 production lines, and advanced testing laboratories, we offer premium quality at competitive prices. Customization capabilities. We support OEM and ODM services, offering tailored solutions for frames, colors, functional specifications, logos, and more. 24/7 peace of mind. We provide comprehensive after-sales support, including video tutorials and instant technical assistance. We hold official certifications including CE, EPA, WE, EPR, and SGS, and always place our customers' interests first. We are confident in offering warranties on core components. We are committed to resolving any after-sales issues you may encounter, and we look forward to partnering with you.